Attention WhatsApp users. A new feature is coming that will completely transform how you personalize your profile. Soon, you'll be able to combine your regular profile photo with an animated avatar. Instead of a static image, your profile will come alive with motion and personality. This combination will make your profile pop and bring a whole new vibe to your profile. When someone taps on your profile, they will first see your regular profile picture, just like always. But with a simple swipe, the profile image will flip to display your animated avatar, adding a whole new layer of personality to your account. And that's not all. WhatsApp is giving users the ability to fully personalize how their avatar appears. You will be able to choose from 5 unique animated poses, each representing a different mood or attitude. Want to greet your friends with a friendly wave? Or maybe show off a relaxed, confident stance? Whether you are feeling playful, professional, cheerful, or chill, there's a pose to match your vibe. And if combining both a photo and an avatar isn't your style, no worries, WhatsApp is giving you full control. You will be able to delete either the profile photo or the avatar based on your preference and keep just one. Whether you want the classic photo, a fun avatar, or a mix of both, it's totally up to you.